Airframe Components by Williams is a world-renowned FAA and EASA certified wing and control surface rebuilding family-owned company that has provided fast and professional repairs to clients all over the world. Located in Kendallville, Indiana, USA, Airframe Components has expanded to nearly 100,000 square feet of operations. The facility houses thousands of parts and inventory and is equipped with a full production staff to expedite shipments and minimize downtime for Cessna, Beechcraft, and Piper aircraft. Founded in a one-car garage more than 40 years ago, Airframe Components began its reputation of expertise known worldwide today. Led by pilot Roy Williams, Airframe Components continues to grow while maintaining its same family values. They offer repair, rebuild, and replacement services for damaged wings or controls, as well as an extensive inventory of parts online that can easily be ordered for individual sale. The skilled, highly trained technicians hand-build parts that follow all FAA and EASA regulations. Their craftsmen make it their goal to produce a better-than-new product. Roy and his team take customers seamlessly through the repair process with transparent communication from start to finish. It is a top priority that the customer's individual needs are met with every single order. This strong dedication to personal precision and quality has made Airframe Components a highly acclaimed supplier of rebuilt wings and control surfaces. Thousands of satisfied customers testify to the true value and efficiency provided by Airframe Components. Visit their YouTube channel for dozens of informative videos on common repairs and help that you may need to get your repair started. With professionalism and quality you can trust, Airframe Components by Williams will get you back in the air in no time.